What's up, everybody? Coming at you from Dallas, Texas. Today is a wonderful and beautiful day. I'm just taking me a little walk. Whoa! Did you see that big old cactus right there behind me? I'm digging it though. I tell you what, look like I'm in West Texas or something like that, or Arizona or something like that, but I'm not. That's just how these people decided to make their landscape appear to be something that it's not. Maybe that's what I'm going to call this video. You guys stick around and watch. Are y'all in the middle of a storm? I got something to tell you. Jesus Christ is bigger than anything that might come against you. So don't lose hope. Just believe that the best is yet to come. Take a walk with me. Take a walk with me and let me tell you a little story. Sometimes things don't always go the way you think. Sometimes your car breaks down. Sometimes somebody or everybody you come in contact with that day is mean to you, disrespect you. Things ain't going your way. Maybe you feel like, woe is me. I got news for you. The best is yet to come. If you're in the middle of a disaster right now in your life, there's a lot that's going on with the hurricane right now that hit Louisiana. I got news for you, man. Jesus Christ is still on the throne. I'm sorry that you lost everything. Some of you did lose everything. Some of you didn't. But to those that didn't lose anything, to those that are still in Texas, that weren't affected by this disaster, what are you being affected by today? Maybe you don't have to have a storm in your life to be knocked off your pedestal. Uh-oh. Pride. Sometimes we just need to humble ourselves before life humbles us. And with that being said, God bless everybody that's being hurt by the tropical storm. And I just want to let you know that this is the bottom line. Peace, y'all. Oh, life is beautiful. Ha ha! But the bottom line is this. Bottom line. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Keep the peace.